Hi guys, XChrome here, and today I'm going to be bringing another dart mod. Today we are going to be needing BBs and darts, and of course any kind of, I recommend using the Demolisher 2-in-1 because it's really hard to use it with pistols. But yeah, so what we're gonna do, it's really simple. We'll get your dart. You want to put it in the chamber. Okay, I'm giving you an example, but you're gonna drop it on top. I got the hiccups right now. Like this, like when you put it in. Here, I'll just go get the Demolisher real quick. Be right back. Alright, so I'm back. So, as you saw in my previous video, I made these. And this proves right here that they do not work for the Demolisher. Okay, so this one's loaded with bullets. 25 pack. So you wanna, this one is just to prove that it does not work with the Demolisher. So load it in. You can see your Demolisher, and get it in. Okay. See, it doesn't shoot. There's not enough power in it to get through this little black part in here. So, and that's how you get your gun jammed if you do it with the Demolisher. Alright, so back to the airsoft mod. So you want to have this. You want to get your clip. It doesn't have to be the drum mag. It can be the 2x drum mag, or just the 10 one, the 18, doesn't matter, or 5. So you can see, you want to get it in, put it in, get your Demolisher. Oh crap. Okay, so it's loaded in. Now, as you can see, it's loaded in to my gun. Okay. Close this. Take your BB. Put it through the top. And all you have to do, you can't shoot it down like this, like that, sometimes, because the bullet will fall out. But, alright, it will shoot the BB. It will shoot the BB plus the bullet out. So, let's doing this. You ready? And that's how you make a dart shootout airsoft BBs. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like, and hopefully you enjoyed the video, and subscribe. Peace.